Okay, who do we? Hi, everyone.
Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher.
Okay, let's see who's listening. So we got Manhai, Quang An, and Tu Len. Okay. Okay, let's just Manhai, you need to be quiet now and listen and concentrate. No playing with your sister now. Okay, we're gonna do birds, liars. Here, speaking. Okay, let me open it for you. Here. Okay, we're gonna do speaking. No, who is this? Oh, okay. What test is this? We need to do test 3. Just want to see what test this is. Test 4. Okay, so you did test 1 and 2. So this is test 4. We have to do test 3 here. Okay, let's find the difference. Manhai, you can go first.
In the first picture, the man is wearing a green jacket. But second picture, the man is wearing a blue jacket.
Okay. Birds, movers. Speaking. Test 3. Okay, good. Quang An, what can you see?
Yes, first the boy not had got a hat, but the tiny picture the boy is got your hat.
Say that again. In the first picture.
First picture, the boy. The first picture, the boy. The first picture, the boy not had got your hat. But the tiny picture, the boy had got a hat.
Okay, in the first picture, good. Tu Len, what can you see?
In my picture, I can see the man is wearing a green
Who is this? Yen? Gia Yen, let me just see where you must learn.
in my in the second picture, I can see the baby is crying, but in my picture, in second picture, I can see the baby is smiling.
Smiling. Jiayan, you're not learning now. You must ask your teacher where you are learning, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let me help you here. So, okay, so in the first picture, the man is wearing a green suit and here an orange suit. Okay. Tulin, did you say about a hat? Are you talking about the boy? In the first picture, the boy is not wearing a hat, but in the second picture, the boy is wearing a hat. Yes? Quang An, what can you see?
I can see the first picture. The girl is next to the comic book. What?
Okay, so here the girl
picture,
is, here she's looking at the books and here she's holding the books.
The girl is look in the book. The tiny picture. The girl is reading book.
Yes, she's reading a book. Good. Manhai, what can you see? Manhai, I can't hear you.
In the first picture, the orange plane it in the it in it on the red plane, but second picture, the orange plane is under the red plane.
Oh, you're talking about the planes. Okay, good job. Yes. Okay, Tulin, what can you see?
In the first picture, I can see the grandma has got a short hair, but in the second picture, I can see grandma has got a curly hair.
Oh, grandma, yes. Grandma has got straight hair here and grandma has got curly hair here. Good. Okay, no, Quang An, what can you see?
The first picture, I can see the car. The car. The car is driver. The first picture, the man in on the car is the driver on the car. On is a
Say again about the car.
yes. The man is the driver on the car. Is it the màu small driver. The dynamic picture. The car is quickly on the car.
Okay, let me just take this out. Okay, let's do it here. Okay, you're talking about the car. Okay, good. Manhai, what can you see?
In the picture, there is a cloud, but in the sky, but in the second picture, there is a two cloud in the sky.
Two clouds. Two clouds.
There are two clouds in the sky.
Yes. Julian, what can you see?
I
Julian.
in the first picture, I can see the umbrella is in the first picture. I can see the in the first picture. I can see the umbrella is after her after the man, but in the second picture, I can see the umbrella is before the man.
Yes. Quang An, what can you see?
First picture, I can see the grandpa not bringing the back. Then the picture, the grandpa bring the cup.
The camera? Are you talking about the camera?
Yes. First picture,
And the bag. The camera and the bag.
Camera and the first picture. The first picture, the grandpa not wearing the camera fan. The second picture, the grandpa wearing the camera fan.
Okay. Manhai, what can you see? Oh, we spoke about the umbrella too. Okay. Okay, I think that is more or less. Let's go on. We'll come back to this because I want to help you with some of the words. Okay, story first. Manhai, what can you see here?
Firstly, Daisy and her brother is drying. She drying the house, and the brother is writing. Is writing. No, the brother is watch TV, and the Daisy are the cry, the cry is the cry is his her brother pray. Then she is do ask and trust the pig. After that, she is puts the flower. It she is put flower on the house, and on the house she do the balloon. Finally, the brother is hungry because the Daisy eat eat Daisy the pig.
Okay. Let's see if Tulin can see what's happening here. Tulin, what are they doing?
The children are studying together.
Yes. Is it the brother and the sister?
Yeah.
And number 2, Quynh An, what happens in picture number Tulin, what happens in picture number 2?
The brother is watching the TV, and the sister are painting.
Yes, and number 3, what happens there? Tulin, what happens in number 3?
The sister are bringing the scissor and glue.
Yes, and number 4, what happens there?
Sister painted a flower in the in the paper.
Okay, good. And number 5, Tulin, what happens there?
Brother is angry because sister are painting in the under his paper.
Okay, Quynh, you try.
Yes. Firstly, Daisy, sister and her brother on the house. The sister is drawing, and her brother are do your homework on the school. Next, her brother is watching the TV. Her sister are the drawing on the homework on her brother homework. Picture 3. The sister is eating good and rosy. The picture 4.
Yes. Just want to quickly see here. Okay, let me type it so that you can understand it. Let me put us up here. And type it for you. Okay. So, first, Harry is finished with, first, Harry has finished his homework. No, let's start it like this. First, it is 7 o'clock. In the evening, and Harry is doing his homework. His sister is drawing a picture of a house. Next, Harry has finished his homework. He is watching TV. Daisy is drawing some flowers. On his homework. Then Daisy is standing on a chair. She is taking some scissors and glue from the shelf. Now she is gluing the flowers on her picture. She is very busy. Finally, Harry is not watching television. He is very angry. Daisy likes her picture. Okay. Manhai can read it.
First, it is 7 o'clock in the evening and Harry is doing his homework. His sister is drawing a picture of a house. Now Harry has finished his homework. She is watching TV. Daisy is drawing some flowers on his homework. Then Daisy is standing on a chair. She is taking some scissors and glue
Scissors.
from
Scissors.
scissors and glue for the shelf. Now she gluing the flowers on her picture. She is very busy. Finally, Harry is not watching television. He is very hungry. Daisy likes her picture.
Likes her picture. Okay. Tulin can read it.
First, it is 7 o'clock in the evening, and Harry is doing his homework. His sister is drawing a picture of a house. Next, Harry has finished his homework. He is watching TV. Daisy is drawing some flower on the homework. Then, Daisy is standing on a chair. She is taking some
Not taking.
taking some scissors and glue.
Scissors.
Scissors and glue
Scissors. Scissors.
Scissors on and glue from the shelf. Now she is gluing the flowers on her picture. She is very busy. Finally, Harry is not watching television. He is angry. Daisy likes her picture.
Okay, Quynh Anh try.
Yes, first it is 7 o'clock in the evening and Harry is doing his homework. His sister is drawing a picture for a house. Next, Harry has finished his homework. He is watching TV. Daisy drawing some flower on his homework. Then Daisy is standing on a chair. She is taking some sugar and glue for the scissors.
No, she is taking some scissors and glue.
She is taking some sugars
And glue.
glue from the
Shelf.
cell. Now she is gluing the flower on her picture. She is very beautiful. Finally, Harry
She is very busy.
She
is very busy.
She is very busy. Finally, Harry is not watching television. He is very hungry. Daisy likes her picture.
Okay, good. Manhai can do it one more time.
But it is 7 o'clock in the evening and Harry is doing his homework. His sister is drawing a picture of a house. Next, Harry has
No, it's not a house. It's a house.
A house. Next, Harry has finished his homework. He is watching TV. Daisy is drawing some flowers on his homework. Then Daisy is standing on a chair. She is taking some scissors and glue from the shelf. Now she is gluing the flowers.
She is taking scissors. She is taking
She is taking some scissors and glue from the shelf. Now she is gluing the flowers on her picture. She is very
busy.
Finally,
She's very busy.
She is very busy. Finally, Harry is not watching television. He is very hungry. Daisy likes her picture.
Okay. Tulen can read it.
First, it is 7 o'clock in the evening, and Harry is doing his homework. His sister is drawing a picture of a house. Next, Harry has finished his homework. He is watching TV. Daisy is drawing some flower on his homework. Then Daisy is standing on a chair. She is taking some scissors and glue.
Taking some scissors.
Taking some scissors and glue from the shelf. Now she is gluing the flower on her picture. She is very busy. Finally, Harry is not watching television. He is very angry. Does he like her picture?
Okay, Quynh and try.
Yes. Firstly, it is 7 o'clock in the evening, and Harry is doing his homework. His sister is drawing a picture for a house. Next, Harry has finished his homework. He is watching TV. Daisy is drawing sunflower on his homework.
Flowers.
Then Daisy is sitting on a chair. She is taking some shopping and goose.
Scissors. No. Scissors.
Scissors of
Scissors. Scissors.
Scissors and glue.
No. Scissors and glue.
Scissors and glue. Some scissors and glue for the cell. Now she is gluing the flowers on her picture. She is very busy. Finally, Harry is not watching TV. He is very angry. Daisy likes her picture.
Okay, now, Minh, see if you can say this without the words. Can't hear you, sweetie.
First, Harry is writing. Harry is do homework. He is writing. Her sister is drawing of the house. Next, he finished homework. She is watch television. The Daisy is drawing the homework. Next, she is standing a chair. She is getting the scissors and glue. And now she have two flowers. She is happy. He very bust. Finally, Harry is stopped watch television. He is hungry. The daisy likes the picture.
A picture, okay. Tulin, you try. to learn?
First, it is 7 o'clock in the evening and Harry is doing his homework. She is drawing a picture of a house. Next, Harry is finished his homework. She is watching television. Daisy is drawing some flower on his
Flower. Daisy is drawing some flowers, not flower.
flowers on his homework. Then Daisy is standing on a chair. She is taking some scissors and glue from the 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 shelf. Now she is gluing the flower on her picture. She is very busy. Finally, Harry is not watching television. He is very angry and Daisy likes her picture.
Likes her picture. Quang An?
Yes. Firstly, it is 7 o'clock. It's evening. Harry is doing his homework and her sister are drawing of a house. Next, Harry has finished his homework. He is watch TV. And her sister are drawing on the drawing flower on his homework. Finally, then her sister sat on the chair. She is some cool and movie on the shelf. Now, Mary, her sister, is put some flowers on the picture. She is very pretty. Finally, Harry is not watch television. he is very angry, and she and her sister
And
her
his sister. No, his sister.
his sister likes picture
Likes her picture. Yes.
like her picture.
Good. Okay, let me do this. Okay. Okay, now we're going to ask and answer questions, okay? So let's have Minhai, you ask the first question about Sarah. Here, let's talk about Sarah first. Minhai, where? Minhai, I can't hear you.
Where opposite police station.
Where is the restaurant Sarah is going to?
We're going to.
No. Where is the restaurant Sarah went to? Where is the restaurant Sarah went to? To Len? Where is the restaurant Sarah went to?
Sarah went to next fire
The
style.
restaurant Sarah went to is next to the fire station. Say that again. To learn.
The ration Sarah went to is next to the fire station.
Okay, to learn. Next question. Who with?
Who is the restaurant Sarah with?
Who went with Sarah to the restaurant? Quang An, who went with Sarah to the restaurant? Quang An, who went with Sarah to the restaurant? Sarah's friends went with her to the restaurant. You need to focus, Quang An. You don't know what we are doing. Sarah's friends went with her to the restaurant. Next question, Quang An.
Yes. Parents present.
Time. You need to ask a question about time.
Hi. Is a hi is a
What time?
What time is it?
Did Sarah go to the restaurant?
Go to the restaurant.
Ask it again.
What time did the
Time.
and didn't Sarah go to the others?
To the restaurant. Minhai, what time did Sarah go to the restaurant?
How?
Sarah went at?
Is 8:30 p.m.
Next question. How go, Minh Hai? How
How
did
go
Sarah
did
go to
go
the restaurant?
restaurant?
To learn, how did Sarah go to the restaurant? Sarah
go to the restaurant
went by bus.
bus.
Sarah went by bus. Next question to learn, what eat? What
Is Sarah
did Sarah
Sarah
eat at
eats
the
at the
restaurant?
restaurant?
Quang An, what did she eat at the restaurant? Sarah ate a burger.
hamburger and salad.
Not eat, ate. Sarah
Ate.
ate a burger and salad. You need to practice this. You don't know how to ask questions and how to answer. Tulen, Quang An, and Minh Hai. You must all practice this. You don't know this, okay?
Yes.
I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.